Hey guys, MrHadlemDonalds here, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my HTML tutorial series. Welcome to episode 3, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert an image into your HTML web page or a photo, depending whether it is a file on your computer or an image URL from the internet. But I'm going to be showing you how to insert one, change the size, add borders and such. So we're going to jump straight in. Now, I realised something from the previous episode, episode 2, that I'd spelled Arial wrong, which is very stupid of me, and I'm going to change that now, and we're going to see how that actually changes the text. So as you can see now, we have Arial font. So it would have worked the first time if any of you are thinking, why is this not working? It was because I'd spelled Arial wrong. If you'd picked up on that, your page should have worked. But anyway, that was a mistake I made, and I'm sorry about that. But anyway, images. Now with images, the tag will be img for image, and after the image img tag, we're going to do src. Now that's going to stand for source. I'm not actually sure if it does stand for source in real life, but I call it src for me is source. I think it is source, but anyway. So img src with a space in between. So image source, and we're going to go an equals sign and quotation marks. Now this is where it depends. If you want to get a file from your computer, the file must be in the same location as the web page or website. They should both be in the same folder. So if they were both in a folder called website, that would work. But they have to be in the same location, otherwise it won't be able to find it. But if you uploaded it to the internet using a some sort of website, a hosting website which you would host your HTML page with, they'd all be in the same folder. But whilst you're doing it with your computer, you need to make sure they're both in the same folder. So I would recommend making a folder on your computer which they all sit in. Or on the other hand, you can get a picture from the internet, which is what I'm going to do right now. So we're going to go to Google, and I'm going to get a picture. What should we get a picture of? We should just get a picture of a chicken, because, well, YOLO, and we're just going to get a picture of a chicken. Simple as that. Now you've got two choices. As I said, you can either save the image or get it directly. If you're getting it directly, you actually need to. Now I don't think you can do this on Chrome. You were able to do this in Chrome, but it's probably going to be easier just to do this on Internet Explorer. If you're doing it, as I said, you're going to go ahead, right click and click properties. This is going to bring up properties. Now here we go, address URL. This is going to give us the actual file URL, if you like, the exact route to where the image is. So we're going to copy this, and using that URL, we're going to copy it right into where in between our quotation marks, like so, and then close the tag, and file save. Refresh the page, and bam, we have a picture of a chicken on our website now. So yeah, that's very nice picture of a chicken right there. Now if you want to change the size of the chicken, we're going to go back into the tag, and we're going to do width and height tags. So between width, if we wanted to make it really small, we might want to do something like 10. And if we wanted height to be 10 as well, it would be a square, obviously. So we can make the width and the height 10. I've not saved that. Going to go ahead, click File, Save, refresh it, and we have a really, really small picture of a chicken now. But for the purposes of this, if we enlarge that, so we can see the chicken again, and bam, we have a picture of a chicken. Now also, just before this, if for any reason this chicken, because we found it from a website, a URL, the person who uploaded it may take it off at any point, and so we don't just want a red cross to be there. We might want some text to be there instead. So what we want to do here is type alt for alternative equals and then text. So there should be a chicken here. Okay, like so. So now if something were to happen, for example, I were to get rid of part of where the picture of the chicken was, save it, we have this, we scroll over, and usually this should Chrome is a bit buggy still, I think. If we just open it up via Internet Explorer, open with Internet Explorer, we see the text, there should be a chicken here. So yeah, that's about it for putting images in. So we've been able to put an image of a chicken in, and have an alternative text, and change the width and height, so change the size of the image. So that's how to insert an image into HTML. Thanks for watching episode 3, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.